Hey everyone, this is your Sammy Sands here. Welcome back to my channel. And excuse me for how I look and everything. And if my face looks like I'm tired, I am tired. Like, I'm so tired. And as you can see, I'm wearing PT gear. So we was out doing the ultimate frisbee and stuff at the end of class, and I'm literally tired. Oh my gosh. Give you an update of what's been happening, what's been going on, give you the tea about ALS. So right now we're at the end of week 4, or in the middle, because right now tomorrow's going to be Thanksgiving and we're off for 4 days this week. So we only had 3 days this week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Combining last week, week 3, with this one, week 4, we had a lot of breaks and stuff coming up and everything due to Veterans Day and this holiday. And also our first week, we were only there for like 3 days, I believe: Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Combining week 3 and week 4. So last week was a very stinking easy week. We just worked on going through the curriculum and everything, which was cool. Everything that we needed to learn for our last test that we'll have to do, which is next Monday. So yeah, with the class, we were just going over everything that we needed to know. And then we did some like group breakouts or little briefings or presentations and stuff where we actually were able to improv a couple of times. I did record one of them. The first round that we did, it was so funny. It was so funny. Like, everybody is hilarious. But I wish I recorded those, because I would definitely put them on there. But I recorded the second time around when we did it, and it was pretty cool. Like, it was still funny, but it wasn't as funny as the first time when we did it. So I'll definitely put a clip of that in here, or in a separate video with everything. I think I'm gonna do a separate video. It was kind of lax last week, because we already did our 2 other presentations that we did a couple weeks back, and we were just going over the curriculum and having group discussions and things like that. So that was pretty cool. Grown to be a little bored with the class and everything, mainly because I know we're at the end right now, and I'm trying not to get too comfortable because I still need to study. So we did our very last presentation just 2 days ago, I believe, and it was a group presentation. So everyone passed, which was great. I wish my score for my group presentation could have been a little better, but I'm just glad that we passed and we all worked together and did what we had to do. So it actually hasn't been too much to give out that we've done last week and these 3 days. We have been, we do PT and stuff all the time, or every other day, or whatever the schedule says for us to do PT. And usually it's pretty fun. We will play with the other class, because sometimes we'll play with them and sometimes we don't. But the last time, yesterday, we did play volleyball all together, just to see who was going to win, because whichever team that won will be playing like the higher ups and the Chiefs and stuff on our last week. So that will be fun to watch. I'll make sure to record a little clip and everything for that too. But other than that, yeah, we just had some group presentations, had some fun, kind of lax. As you can see, I'm more comfortable now with the class. Absolutely love everybody there. This is it of week 3 and 4. Just combine those together for you guys, because we didn't really do that much. We just made sure we went over the curriculum and studied and everything. We had some chief meetings and stuff, and some one-on-ones, and meeting and talking with everyone so that they have an understanding of the curriculum and how it's working and everything, because we are kind of the first class going through the new curriculum. So it does, I like the new well, I don't know what the old one was, but I like how the curriculum well, no, that's a lie. I like my time here learning what I'm learning for school. There could be some changes, but that's what surveys are for. Love that I get to learn how to not only know how to do my job, but to also care for other people and know how to help other people and to be resourceful for everyone. especially if I do have troops. That's pretty much it. Sorry, I'm tired and not feeling too up to it, but I just want to make sure that I get week 3 and 4 out for you guys. And I do want to say happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you guys are having fun with your families and everything. So thank you guys. It is time for a give and take. So I shared my little spiel with you guys. So if you have any questions about ALS or just anything, you can put a comment down below. We can go over it with you. If you have any questions, you know, I can answer them for you. Anything about Air Force, Army, my experience with both of them, ALS in general, things like that. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning in on this video, and wait for my next week video when we graduate. Yay! All right, guys. Bye.